What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW. And today we got a nice day trading recap. Traded Tesla and EVK 3 for 3. Check it out. All right, guys. So today was a really good day in here in chat. I went 3 for 3 in total. I went 2 for 2 on Tesla. I went 1 for 1 on EVK. I could have been a little bit more patient, a lot more patient on EVK. But I don't know. I guess I just decided to be extra conservative on the profits there, and just went ahead and booked the last take profit at $5 on it. Was way more patient on Tesla, and that one produced better gains. So definitely today was a day that patience is what produced the actual gains. Now, we're going to go over that. We're going to go over the charts in this video. The only thing I'm going to ask you to do is stick around toward the end. And at the end, if you really enjoyed the video, then go ahead and smash the like button for me. Don't do anything right now. Just watch, pay attention, look at the charts that we're about to go over together, and just get your learn. Today is that 75% of traders in chat were green. So if you're interested in a 5-day trial, link in the description section below. Check it out at the end. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this morning's recap. So this morning here we had our watch list. Let me grab that watch list real quick here. Those of you watching on YouTube, here is what it looks like here in the dashboard. You come in here, click Monday, and you have your watch list: EVK, AGRI, BSQR, VXRT, Tesla, DLPM. We're all on watch this morning here at the daytraderchatroom.com. If you're interested, there's a link in the description and comment section with a 5-day trial. EVK was one of the ones we had on watch today. We were watching to see if this one would hold the 380s area for support. Here's the line we drew in pre-market. These tops here, some bottoms here, and some more tops back here. We're all in that 380 area. And we're watching to see if that level would hold support. This morning we got down here to 377, it seems like. Yeah, just about 375, 377, and we just jumped right off that level and got halted. I was trading Tesla at the time, so missed out on that. And after that resumption, it held just above that 470, 460s area, made a new high here and pushed up higher. And then this first little pullback here, we had nice decreasing volume on it. Oops, wrong tool. You'll see here the volume profile on this pullback. We had nice decreasing volume on the pullback right here. Okay, and at the time, let's go ahead and scroll back so we can see what it looked like. So right in here is where I got in here, got long. Small position on EVK since I was already nicely green on the day with Tesla. And as soon as we popped on this candle here, I started to take some profits. Now I didn't like this candle here, how it kind of like rejected that little pivot area on a big increase in volume. So I got flat. I was long at 490, and I took profits through the push. Let me take a look at my alerts here real quick. I'll show you the alerts here real quick. EVK 490s, and took some profits 510, some 520, and I was looking for the rest for the push through, to make it really worthwhile to trade. But we didn't. We kind of like had that ugly little rejection candle. I didn't like it, and I wanted to protect the day's gain, so I got flat at $5. And then once it decided to hold the level right there, got back on the mic and I told the guys, I was like, guys, this thing's still very much valid, and I wouldn't be surprised to see it make a move towards the highs. So we tailored out what the trade would look like, and sure enough, it hit not only the first but the second follow through take profit, and that would have been a very nice trade had I held on to it. Would have added tremendously to the day, but still a nice little cushion added here on the day with EVK. Next we had Tesla on watch, and Tesla was my next trade here. I traded the options on Tesla. Tesla was a very nice mover this morning, all because of all the EV in China, talking about beating like delivery numbers on stocks like NIO, and they're obviously going to speculate that Tesla's going to do better numbers than those. So Tesla had a nice little gap up this morning, and more importantly, it held 700, which is the area we were watching on the weekly watch list, And on the daily watch list here today, $700 hold was important. As you can see, tremendous level of resistance that it's been resistance for some time now, past support back here as well, okay, and even more resistance back here and way back here. So today we broke and held that level, held that level at 700. Low of day on Tesla is 698 and change, and we pushed straight off of it. And I got on the mic, told you guys, I'm not looking to chase this thing. I'm going to wait for the first pullback into a support zone that I like, and that's where I'm going to go ahead and look to get long on some call options. And right here we set that high, and then we began our pull-in. And we began that pull-in on, again, decreasing volume. We had decreasing volume on that pull-in, and in this candle I took on a starter, took on some ads in here, and we just punched it right through the high of day. Nice increase in volume on that push higher here, and went ahead and started taking profits. Now let me go ahead and grab my alerts here. Long Tesla call option, 720 strike, August 8th expiration, and I was in that one. 12:15 entry, stop if Tesla got under 706. All right, you can see that's underneath that VWAP and that 23.6 Fibonacci level, was also lined up with some little levels on the daily chart. So if we got underneath that level, I would have stopped out. As soon as we got up here to the high day, I took a little bit of profit off at 13.20, took more profit off at 14.50, flat 15.06 as we squeezed up higher. Then I waited for a new re-entry. And I got that re-entry on Tesla right here. I'll show you. Right in here, we had that first little drop into the 9 AMA area. We had that crossover here. We had that first drop, and we had that on a decreasing volume. Okay, we started to decrease the volume here, and whoops, right in here. And then right there, I went ahead and picked up smaller size, same contracts, 720 strikes, and I was in at $15, took some profit off at $15.90, and then I was flat at $17.19 as we pushed higher. And all in all, made it a very nice, very nice day here in the daytraderchatroom.com. Now let me show you what the team's numbers looks like. 75% of traders are green today. 25% didn't trade. No one is red. No one is break even. So that's a good showing of discipline by the team here at the daytraderchatroom.com, guys. Well, guys, that's pretty much it as far as this morning goes. But the important lessons here that you need to take are not to be overly aggressive. You know, be patient, wait for your setups to come to you. Don't just go chasing things randomly, you know. Don't get caught off guard. You see that iguana on the dock, it got caught off guard, so it had to jump off and jump into the canal here. I don't know where it went, but it's definitely not on my dock anymore. And man, I'm glad it's not on my dock. One day it's going to become lunch, I think. Anyways, you got to be patient. If you're not patient, begin to get hurt, because when you're not patient, then you know you start to actually fall victim to FOMO. You start to chase stocks. You don't know where your stop loss is. You get oversized. You get greedy. You start to hover over your hotkeys or your mouse. You start to get extremely nervous. You might even be sitting at the edge of your seat, sweating cold, because you don't have a trade plan. Establish a trade plan, wait for the levels to hit, and that's when you act. That's exactly what we did here today at TheTraderChatroom.com, and we absolutely hit it out of the park. Nice home run day. Thank you very much for watching. Smash the like button if you enjoyed and learned, and I hope to catch you on the next one.